How to turn off orange dot on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off the orange dot on your iPhone. Now the orange dot that I'm talking about is this one right here on the top. So to remove that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings. Now the reason that you have the orange dot is because your microphone is being used, and that is an indicator for the microphone being in use. So as you can see on the top where my microphone is being used, it's being used by system and accessibility. Now you can directly head over there by tapping on system and accessibility. You will see right there. Now if you don't want the orange dot, you can either simply turn off the permission for microphone on your device. Now here you will need to go to privacy. So scroll down till you find privacy and security, open it up, and under there you should find microphone. Now you can scroll down till you find microphone and open it up. Now whichever app is using your microphone, you can simply toggle the button off here to prevent them from using the microphone. Now since I am recording this video via my iPhone, me turning it off would just not allow me to record the audio of myself. So you can just turn the permissions off, and after you do that, the orange dot will go away. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.